Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. You're staring at a 92% performance ratio. Your inverters say everything's fine. Your O&M team shrugs. But you just lost $200,000 in revenue this quarter, and nobody can tell you why. Here's the truth. Your asset isn't underperforming. Your performance model is lying to you. Most solar portfolios are being measured against models built 5 years ago, with assumptions that were never validated. You're using generic weather data from 50 kilometers away, module degradation curves from datasheets not your panels, soiling loss factors someone guessed in 2019, and baseline irradiance numbers that were never ground-truthed. So when your actual production comes in at 94% of expected, you celebrate. But what if expected was always wrong? What if your asset should be producing 8 to 12% more? At ClearSpot AI, we rebuild performance models using AI agents that combine 3 data layers. Layer 1, drone intelligence. Our thermal and RGB flights capture every panel's actual condition, not what the datasheet promised. We quantify real soiling patterns, hotspots and physical degradation. Layer 2, SCADA. Reality, we backfill gaps, normalize for weather, and compare your historical production against localized satellite irradiance. Layer 3 AI validation. Our agents cross-reference 100+ variables to build a baseline model that reflects what your asset actually does under real conditions. The result? We typically find 3 to 7% hidden underperformance that was being masked by optimistic models. One 100 nebulous portfolio we analyzed was hitting 93% PR, considered acceptable. Our AI agent rebuilt the baseline using 18 months of drone data and cleaned SCADA logs. Real PR, 86.7%. That 6.3% gap represented 1.2 M in annual lost revenue. We identified 4.2% loss from undetected soiling patterns, 1.8% from tracker miscalibration, 0.3% from shading that didn't exist in the original design. All fixable, all invisible under the old model. Stop managing to a broken baseline. Our AI-powered performance audit rebuilds your model from the ground up using drone analysis and intelligent SCADA interpretation. Head to ClearSpot AI and request your performance model audit report. We'll show you where your current model is wrong, how much performance is hiding in plain sight, and the exact MWH gap between acceptable and actual. The report is free. The revenue you're leaving on the table isn't. ClearSpot AI, because measuring wrong means managing wrong. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.